In this session, let us learn about Python built-in functions. Python has a set of built-in functions. Abs function returns the absolute value of a number. All returns true if all items in an iterable object are true. Any returns true if any item in an iterable object is true. ASCII returns a readable version of an object, replaces non-ASCII characters with escape characters. Bin function returns the binary version of a number. Bool function returns the Boolean value of the specified object. Bit array function returns an array of objects. Bytes function returns a bytes object. Callable function returns true if the specified object is callable, otherwise false. CHR function returns a character from the specified Unicode function. Class method function converts a method into a class method. Compile function returns a specified source as an object ready to be executed. Complex function returns a complex number. Del attribute function deletes the specified attribute, property or method from the specified object. Dict function returns a dictionary array. Dir function returns a list of all specified objects, properties and methods. Div mode function returns the quotient and the remainder when argument 1 is divided by argument 2. Enumerate function takes a collection, example a tuple, and returns it as an enumerate object. Eval function evaluates and executes an expression. Exec function executes the specified code or object. Filter function use a filter function to exclude item in an iterable object. Float function returns a floating point number. Format function formats a specified value. Frozen set function returns a frozen set object. Get attrib function returns the value of the specified attribute, property or method. Global function returns the current global symbol tables as a dictionary. Hash attribute function returns the true if the specified object has the specified attribute, property or method. Hash function returns the hash value of a specified object. Help function executes the built-in help system. Hex function converts a number into a hexadecimal value. ID returns the ID of an object. Input function allowing user input. Int function returns an integer number. IsInstance function returns true if a specified object is an instance of a specified object. IsSubclass function returns true if a specified class is subclass or a specified object. Iter function returns an iterator object. Len function returns a length of an object. List function returns a list. Locals function returns an update dictionary of the current local symbol table. Map function returns a specified literable returns a specified iterator with the specified function applied to each them. Max function returns the largest item in an iterable. Memory view function returns a memory view object. Min function returns the smallest item in an iterable. Next function returns the next item in an iterable. Object function returns a new object. Oct function converts a number into a octal. Open function opens a file and returns a file object. Odd function converts an integer representing the Unicode of the specified character. Pow function returns the value of x to the power of y. Print function prints to the standard output device. Property function gets, sets, deletes a property. Range function returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0 and increments by 1 by default. Ripper function returns a readable version of an object. Reversed function returns a reversed iterator. Round function rounds a number. Set function returns a new set object. Set attribute function sets an attribute, property or method of an object. Slice function returns a slice object. Sorted function returns a sorted list. Static method function converts a method into a static method. Str function returns a string object. Sum function sums the items of an iterator. Super function returns an object that represents the present class. Tuple function returns a tuple. Type function returns the type of an object. Vars function returns the underscore dict underscore property of an object. Zip function returns an iterator from 2 or more iterators. Okay friends, this is the end of part 1 built-in functions. In next video let us learn about another topic, Python string methods. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.